Hey there everybody, if you're looking for a grill cover to protect your grill from the elements, check this out. This is my grill cover after 5 years. It looks like it's not in that great a shape, but for 5 years, I cannot but recommend it to you. Obviously pretty dirty. I just took it off here, but the pliability still holding up. You can see it's soft still. However, I did notice that some areas are hardening and cracking just a little bit from the winter. Here's a good example of that. Not super hard and crispy. It has been under a protective screened-in porch for the most part, but you can see here definitely open to the elements. We keep the grill in the corner there. So for 5 years, you know, 20 bucks or however much it cost me, definitely is protecting the grill here, keeping it nice, and obviously I do clean it a little bit, but nice and shiny, no obvious rust signs. And this grill is about 10 years old, by the way. So it's looking, I think, pretty nice. Not brand new, but definitely pretty good. So I'm gonna put a link in the description below if you're interested in a grill cover that holds up for about 5 years. I think I'm gonna go ahead and replace this though this year. I think it well, maybe it has 1 more year left. I don't know. It's getting pretty close. But anyway, hope this video has been helpful to you. Thank you so much.